Umboniso 3, Scene 3. Emva kokufunda ileta kaNomaMpondomise, after reading NomaMpondomise's letter, Gugulethu goes to tell Mzamo indaba, the news, ezikule letter, contained in this letter, nento, and what was ebithethwa, spoken, guyise, by his father. Nanso, chief, there you are, chief, uyacula, and he sings away, I want to be ready, etc. And then bobabini, they both join in, dizimisela ukuthandaza, I am determined to pray, are the words, yonke imihla, every day. Mzamo asks, kutheni ntangam, why, my friend, wakhangeleka uchwayitile? Why do you appear to be so happy? Kwenzeke ntoni? What has happened? Ikuvumile? Has she accepted you? Where? You? Yes. Bamba apa, Sonny. Take care. Take 5, Sonny, shaking his hand. Ndandikuxelela ukuba ayinakungavumi. I told you that she could not refuse you. Eyona nto ke, chief, and the most important thing then, chief, is that le letter ifika, this letter arrived. Kubawo, when my father, endibuza, was asking me ngendaba yomfazi, about the matter of a wife. Wathini ke wena ntangam? And what did you say, my friend? Ndivumile mhlobo wam. I agreed. Phofu ke njengokuba uvuma nje, selumbonile umfazi kwaba abafazi banqabe kangaka. However, you have agreed, Vuma, just when you have found a wife kwaba bafazi amongst these women banqabe kangaka, who are so scarce. Uthetha ukuthini? What do you mean xa uthi, when you say banqabile? How can you say they are scarce when iintombi zininzi kangaka? There are so many girls. Ubuninzi bentombi, the number of girls, abuthethi nto nakanye, does not say anything. Kaloku ntangam, you know, my friend, ukuthatha umntu, to take someone ngenjonga yokuba uhlale naye, with the intention of living with her, de nahlulwe kukufa, until you are parted by death, yenye into leyo, is another matter. Asiyondlwana iyanetha. The phrase is asiyondlwana iyanetha, means it is not child's play. Kufuneka ucinge nzulu. You must think carefully, deeply. Enye into mfokazilindile. And another thing, my friend, is that iintombi zale mihla, that the girls of today azinyanisekanga, are not faithful. Sukuyenza lula into yomfazi. Don't take the matter of a wife lightly. Hayi, ndiyakuva nokhala, kunjalo nje ndikuva kakuhle. No, I hear you, my friend, I hear you clearly. Kaloku umntu uncedwa ngabanye. That is the way it is. A person is assisted by others. Ngako oko ke, and so therefore, Mr. Ntlabendlini, my friend, ndithi masifakane imilomo ngalo mcimbi. Let us advise one another. Ukufakana imilomo, to advise one another ngalo mcimbi, about this matter. Mzamo says, Ngati kum, to me it seems bubudenge, stupidity, ukuchata usana, to marry a baby, a young person, olungazi into ngobomi, who knows nothing about life. Ingathi kum chief, to me chief, it is better ukuthatha intombi, to take a girl enamava who is experienced. Uyeke insana and leave the young ones. Ndiyaweva onke amacebiso akho chief. I am hearing all your advice, chief. Kunjalo nje aphilile, and it is sound. Andiwagxeki, and I have nothing against it. I cannot deny it. Phofu ke andikuxelela inyaniso nokhalo, but if I had to tell you the absolute truth, inyaniso nokhala, my friend, ingqondo yam, my mind, ayikho kwenye intombi, is on no other girl ngaphandle kwale kalangeni, other than the Langeni girl. Ngakumbi ngoku, especially now that sendifumene le letter, especially now that I have received this letter. Phofu ke mthi, and so my friend, ngaba si chita ixesha ngantoni? Why then are we wasting time? Xa selugqibile ngomntu, if you have already decided about the person osentliziyweni yakho, who is in your heart. Into ephambili luthando. The most important thing is love. Ngako oko, and so therefore I say, tata lowo, take that one, umthandayo, whom you love. Phofu nam, as for me, andigxeki into, I have nothing against kwimpondomisekazi eli, this young Mpondomise girl. Ngacho ke mfowasekayo. Exactly, my friend. Ngokuhlwa nje, this evening, ndiza kuwa ephepheni. I am literally going to fall on the paper. I am going to write a letter, ndivakalisele intombi kaLangeni, to inform the Langeni girl of umnqweno wam, of my wish. Ayakuthi namahlubi edibana, and when the amahlubi, the elders, meet, ndibe ndiwalathisa kutsolo, I will point them in the direction of Tsolo, to the home of NomaMpondomise. Chief, ungawa ephepheni ngoku. Chief, you can write the letter now. Akukho nto ikunqandayo. There is nothing stopping you. Musa ukuba sa chita ixesha. Don't waste time. Kuba umgqibelo ukufutshane, because Saturday is near. Mzamo uza namaphepha uwanika uGugulethu. Mzamo brings the paper and gives it to Gugulethu, and he proceeds to write the letter. NomaMpondomise othandekayo, dearest NomaMpondomise, ileta yakho ifikile kum. Your letter arrived at my house, yandivuyisa kakhulu, and made me overjoyed. Ngoku ndiziva ndise paradesi, and now I feel as though I am in paradise. NomaMpondomise sithandwa, NomaMpondomise, my loved one, uthando lwam, my love, alunakulinganiswa nayo, cannot be compared nenyambalala yeenkwenkwezi zezulu, cannot be compared with the number of stars in the sky. Ayikho into, there is nothing engaluphelisayo which can bring it to an end. Goku ke Jola, and so now Jola, umnqweno wam, my wish, gowokuba, is that uze ngasekhaya, that you come to my home. Uze kuba ngundofa naye wam, that you become my wife, that you become the one with whom I die. Fa, die, together with. Da uphendule msinya, please reply soon. Kuba, because kulomgqibelo uzayo, because this coming Saturday, amawe to the elders, aza kudibana, are going to meet. Kenjongo, with the aim yokuxoxa, of discussing umcimbi, the matter wokutshata kwam. Owakho osenyongweni, your dearest Gugulethu. Nanso, Chief, kawuyifunde. There you go, Chief. Read it and see ukuba ndiyibethe njani na, and see how I have expressed myself, if I've done it properly. He gives Mzamo the letter. Uyibethile. Literally, you have hit it. You've done a good job, my friend. Andiboni into igxekekayo. I cannot say anything wrong. Yivale uthume umntwana aye kuyiposa. Close it, seal it, and send a child to go and post it. Mfundini kulungile. Okay, my friend. Mandihambe, let me go, and Thuma, send umntwana, a child, eposini, to the post office. And out he goes.